Hello everybody, we are going to learn today about the Muslim conquest of the Iberian Peninsula by the early 8th century. The first thing we have to know is that this is part of something else. This is part of the expansion of the Muslims throughout the world. Okay, we all remember that they started this expansion from the Arabian Peninsula here, from Mecca, the cities of Mecca and Medina, and from here they are going to cross to the north of Africa, and from here they cross over to the Iberian Peninsula. Okay, so this is part of the expansion. They even got to the Southeast Asia, as you can see here. Okay, so um, what happened in our territory? Who were the rulers in our territory where when Muslims arrived? Okay, we have, if you remember, the Visigoths. The Visigoth kingdom was divided in different regions. Okay, but the thing about the Visigoths is that at that very moment they were weaker than the Muslims because their king has just passed away, has just died, and because of that they had to choose another king. um, and they are going to have a lot of fights among the nobles to decide who was the new king. Okay, they are supposedly they are going to decide that the new king was going to be this person. This is a fake drawing, by the way. Okay, so this king would be Roderick, okay, Don Rodrigo, okay, the last king of the Visigoths. Okay, he was elected, but one of the factions is going to request one of his enemies. The other group of the other faction is going to request help from the north of Africa, from the Muslims in the north of Africa to defeat Rodrigo or Roderick. Okay, so Muslims are going to cross over um, to the Iberian Peninsula in order to help one of the factions of the Visigoths to defeat King Roderick, and they defeated him in the Battle of Guadalete. Okay, he was the king was supposed to drown in the river. Okay, and after they won this battle, the Muslims uh, were supposed to hand the power over to their allies, the Visigoths, but as you know, they are going to stay, they are going to decide that they are in a very rich territory, that they are stronger than the Visigoths, so they decided to stay and to conquest the whole peninsula. Okay, so um, basically, well, this all happens in the 711 year. Okay, 711. Um, they are going to follow different routes to conquest the whole peninsula, but basically they are going to move this movement uh, to the north or to the east first, and then again to the east and to the west. Okay, why are they doing such a strange movement? Well, you have to remember that we have a mountainous territory, and in medieval times they use the valleys as natural ways to get from one point to another. Okay, so we have the Guadalquivir River here. They are going to use this valley in order to get to Cordoba, and from here they're going to get to the north. Then they have to come from the central system, so they move to the east. They find another valley, the Ebro Valley, okay, and they use this valley to conquer the north of Spain, uh, till the mountains that, as you know, they are not going to conquest this area because they find the climate Okay, all this area is going to remain Christian, okay, because the Visigoths were Christians. Okay, so this is going to remain Christian, or this is where Christians are going to hide from Muslims. Um, and from here, by the way, they are going to recover little by little the territory to the south. Okay, so so this is why they are going to use this route from one side to the other. Okay, because they are going to take advantage of the valleys, and they are going to they are trying to avoid mountain ranges like the central system. Okay, why are they going to choose Cordoba as their capital? Because of its climate and because of its strategic position. Because, as we were saying, this is a point from where they can control the whole Guadalquivir Valley and the whole South Spain, or South Al-Andalus, as they are going to call it. Okay, so well, I hope this helps you to do your activities and to study. See you soon.